I'm excited today. We're going to have some Maryland crab cakes for my dad's 81st birthday. So let's get everything going. We were going to cook the crab cakes on the Blackstone today, but in Florida, Central Florida today, it decided to rain on us, so we're going to do everything in the air fryer. We're going to have some hush puppies, some fried shrimp and corn. And by the way, the shrimp's for all of us, but mainly Mom, because for some reason she won't eat crab. And the reason why today we're having Maryland crab cakes for my dad's 81st birthday is because when he used to work, he's been retired now for 20 years, probably. But when he worked, he used to have to go to Washington, D.C. in that area a lot and work, and he loved getting Maryland crab cakes. And when somebody's turning 81, you're like, what can you get them? Amber and I have learned over the years the best gifts are the ones that mean something, whether they cost $1 or $100, it doesn't matter. But they need to mean something. And he loves crab cakes. Every time he gets a crab cake, he always compares it to Maryland crab cakes. We had a friend of ours suggest Angelina's of Maryland. We went to goldbelly.com and ordered some crab cakes. They're huge. The crab meat is huge. And we also got 2 soups with it. We got, what were they, Amber?
Lobster bisque and cream of crab.
Lobster bisque and cream of crab. So because of the rain, we're going to do them in the air fryer at 350 for, I believe, about 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to cook them to an internal temperature of 165. But we are going to finish them off right before they're done. We're going to finish them off on broil in the air fryer to get the outside nice golden brown and crispy. I wish we were doing them on the Blackstone, but we're not. So we're going to do the next best thing and use our air fryer, our Ninja air fryer. So we're going to get everything going. We'll tell you how it turns out. All right, so Dad's trying his Maryland crab cake. He's going to give us his honest opinion about it.
Very good.
Does it taste like what you remember?
Mm-hmm. On a scale of 1 to 2.
1 to 2?
What's a 2?
Yeah.
What kind of scale is that?
Because I know who he has at 1 and I know who he has at 2. So is it equal to 1 or is it equal to 2?
I think it would be closer to Sergeant's.
Okay, so it's 1.5.
Yeah.
Okay, his favorite is Sergeant's and
No, my favorite is Timbuktu.
Timbuktu. Sorry.
And where is that at?
Maryland.
Silver Springs, Maryland.
Silver Springs, Maryland.
And Sergeant's is where? Is that Baltimore?
It's out of Baltimore.
Angelina's is close to it. About a 1.5 in between there.
Yeah.
That's good. We'll take that. Well, I'm going to try it out. Try this crab cake. I hadn't had crab cake in forever. That is real good.
So many places that have crab cakes put too much batter stuff on it.
Bread.
Yeah.
That's real good. A lot of meat in that. And I'm surprised how good it tastes, honestly, being in the air fryer.
We were going to cook them on the Blackstone.
Yeah. But that turned out real good in the air fryer. I'm very happy with that. That was worth every bit of it. All right, Molly, you want to sing a happy birthday to Grandpa while he eats his crab cake on his 81st birthday?
Come on, little girl.
Let's sing a happy birthday to Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. And many, many more.
Aw.
How about that?
Enjoy your crab cake, Daddy.
Thank you.